My topic is edge computing. With the rapid development of the internet of everything, the number of smart devices connected to the internet is increasing, resulting in large-scale data, which has caused problems such as bandwidth load, slow response speed, poor security, and poor privacy in the traditional cloud computing models. So let's start introduction with this. With the development of intelligent society and the continuous improvement of people's need, intelligence has involved various industries and people's daily life in society. Edge device has have spread to all aspects of society, such as smart homes, autonomous vehicles in the field of transmission, cameras, intelligent production robot. Based on continuous and massive growth of data volume and various data processing requirements, cloud-based big data processing has shown many shortcomings, such as next. And in this, what is edge computing? Edge computing is totally different from the traditional cloud computing. It is a new computing paradigm that performs computing at the edge of the network. Its core idea is to make computing closer to the source of data. Edge computing is a new computing model of network edge execution. Edge computing is a new computing model that deploys computing and storage resources at the edge of the network closer to the mobile device or the sources. And let's come to these applications of edge computing. And the first application is a remote monitoring of assist in the oil and gas industries. And in the oil and gas failures, in this can be discussed, yes, their assets therefore need to carefully monitor. However, oil and gas plants are often in remote edge computing enables real-time analytics with the processing much closer to the assets. And next one is in predictive maintenance. In this, manufacturers want to be able to analyze and detect changes in their production line before failure occurs. Edge computing helps by bringing the processing and the storage of data closer to the equipment, and and it is used in an hospital patient monitoring also. And healthcare contains several edge opportunities. Currently, monitoring devices are either not connected or where there are large amount of unprocessed data from device would need to be stored on the third phase cloud. An edge on the hospital side would process data locally to maintain data privacy, and it is used to maintain the patient's data also. And it is used in a cloud gaming. A cloud gaming, a new kind of gaming which streams a live feed of the game directly to the devices in highly dependent on latency. Cloud gaming companies are looking to build edge server as close to the gamers as possible in order to reduce latency and provide a fully response and immersive gaming experience. And the last one is a traffic management. Edge computing can enable more effective city traffic management. For example, optimizing a bus frequency given fluctuation in demand, managing the opening and closing of extra lenses, and in future managing autonomous car flows. With the edge computing, there is a no need to transport large volumes of traffic data to the centralized cloud, thus reducing the cost of bandwidth and latency. Next one, benefits. And in this benefits of edge computing, the first comes the speed. A speed is absolutely vital to any company's core business. Edge computing most significant benefit is its ability to increase network performance by reducing latency. And the second one is, and it provides a security. And edge computing distributes processing, storage, and application across a wide range of devices and data centers, which makes it difficult for any single description to take down the entire network. And next one is a scalability. Edge computing offers a far less expensive route to scalability, allowing companies to expand their company computing capacity through a combination of IoT devices and edge data centers. The use of processing capable edge computing device also case growth cost because each new device added doesn't impose substantial bandwidth demand on the core of the network.
Read properly. What is that? Substantial bandwidth.
Okay. Substantial bandwidth demand on the core of network. The next one is the reliability. Given the security advantages provided by edge computing, it shouldn't come as a surprise that it offers better reliability as well. With IoT edge computing device and the edge data center positioned closer to end users, there is less chance of network problem in distance location affecting the local customers. And the next part is difference between the cloud computing and the edge computing. In cloud computing, it is the on-demand delivery of computing resources, including servers, storage, database, and software over the internet. And in edge computing, it refers to the deployment of data handling or other network operations away from the cloud servers to the edge of the network. And in this second difference is location coverage is global because data centers are located around the world, and it brings computation closer to the network edge where the data is gathered at the source. The average response time is in minutes or days, and in edge computing, the average response time is in milliseconds. The cloud requires a hug amount of bandwidth, whereas the edge computing requires a bandwidth which is sufficiently reduced. Next comes the architecture of edge computing, and in this the edge it involves edge devices, edge server or a gateway, and edge network, micro data center, and the last the enterprise hybrid cloud, the device. First one is the device. The edge and the IoT device are equipped to run analytics, apply AI rules, and some data locally to support operations at the edge. The devices
Explain
could handle,
this
analyze, and
diagram. Sabdin, explain this
in this
diagram.
the edge device, the data is and its network, enterprise hybrid cloud. This what is device. Next slide. Okay, next edge server or gateway. Edge servers are used to deploy apps to the device. They are in constant communication with the device by using agents that are installed on each of this device. And next, the edge network or micro data center. A new networking technologies have resulted in edge network or a micro data center, which can be viewed as a local cloud for device to communicate with the edge network, reduce the distance and data from the device must travel, and thus decreases the latency and bandwidth issues, especially with the advent of 5G, that enterprise hybrid multi-cloud. This region offers the classic enterprise level model which model storage and management, device management, and especially enterprise level analytics and dashboard. This region can be hosted in the cloud or in on-premises data center. Next, the conclusion, ma'am. The edge computing model from the aspects of basic concept architecture, key technologies are security and privacy protection. Edge computing provides data storage and computing at the edge of the network and provides internet intelligent service nearby, providing support for the digital transmission of various industries and meeting the requirement of different industries. In future, with the continuous development of the internet and human society, edge computing will play a more important role and effectively promote the development of various industries. These all the references, no? And that's it. No?
Hello. Others,
Hi.
please ask questions. Fardin, where is its application? Tell me one application where it is used, edge computing.
Ma'am, application, ma'am, it is used in predictive maintenance and it is used in hospitals, patient monitoring,
Huh.
and many other, ma'am. And it is used in the cloud gaming and traffic management. And what is it? And it is used in the model home constructions, ma'am.
But what specific, do we require any specific software for this or anything, any specific hardware requirement for this?
Ma'am, specific hard
Like
software
in
means,
cloud computing, everything we are storing it in cloud, we are accessing the data from there, isn't it? In edge computing, what is done?
ma'am, it is stored in the data centers, no, ma'am. Here, the data is taken from that.
Where?
Ma'am, the main use of this edge computing is, ma'am, it latency, ma'am, and security is more compared to that cloud computing also.
Data is stored in data centers. Can you name some of the data centers? Where do we have data centers?
Ma'am, that data centers are that AWS.
Same thing. What we're using for cloud, same thing.